This is a video of how to repair the power button of the ShuoYue V6888. We have to get these screws. There are 6 screws here. Here another one. Here. This and this one. In this one maybe you have a warranty stick, but because Panda Wheel is an awful seller and I have a lot of problems with the warranty, I let the sticker without problems. I repair by myself. One more. There are 3, 4, 5, and the last one. That's all. So to open the mobile phone, I use this knife, and you have to separate this part very carefully, because if you do it in a bad way, probably you damage the plastics. Okay, so I am going to start, for example, here, that is easily. You have to do this, for do it easier, you have to do this movement. Carefully and slowly. I'm finishing it. This is the most difficult part, the bot, where there are the buttons. And to go with it, first we have to open all the phone and then go with this part. I recommend it. So be careful, please. That's it is open. Well, I think yes, it's all. That's all. It had to go out by its own, sorry. That's all. These are the buttons. Oops. And the main problem is here. Probably this is out of its place, and probably you have to move it. These have a sticker, so you can stick them to the plastic. That is the typical thing that I have seen in other phones, but in this phone this is a factory problem, and the sticker is there, but anybody stick them, so we can stick this phone works properly and it is sticked, so probably open it to show you how to do it. And probably in the start button you have to add some plastic or some paper behind the button, because if you don't do it, probably the button doesn't work. So I have put a paper, and that's enough to do it. And then to close it is the same that we have done for open. First, the first thing is to put this area, okay, with the buttons in the correct position, and no more. That's all for my part. Then I am going to mount it, and I expect that you can repair it without problems. Thank you.